Good evening, everyone. In this class, we will discuss the remaining questions related to the time, speed, distance with respect to your UPSC CSAT. From 2019 onwards, we have to discuss your. Let us discuss. So less questions only. Okay, not much questions. Okay, even if you see 2023 question paper, there was no questions from this topic. Even not from many topics. 2023 question paper fully related to the number system, number theory, and then their applications. Almost 28 questions was there. Okay, but in this year 2024, you can expect a questions from all the topics. You can expect. Okay, so therefore don't skip any topic. Have basic ideas related to all the topics. Okay, so fine. So here let us solve 2019 question here. When a runner crossing the 12-kilometer mark, she was informed that she had completed only 80% of the race. So therefore 80% of the total race is equal to 12 kilometer. How many kilometer was the runner supposed to run in the event? So therefore total 80% is nothing but 4 by 5. You know already in your percentage classes you have learned that one. So the total race which is equal to 12 into 5 by 4, you can cancel this one. 3 into 5 becomes 15, right, kilometer. So the answer for this question is B. Okay, so many people would say that 2019 is the difficult question paper. No, it's a lengthy, but it's not a difficult question paper. Always remember, in any question paper it's look like a lengthy, but you can able to pick 30 to 35 questions easily. But in that pressure situation, 2 hour situation, picking up the questions makes you feel difficult. Okay, so stay calm in the examination and try to do. To stay calm in the examination, you need a lot of practice before entering into that. Okay, any competitive exams. So therefore, at least take 10 to 12. Okay, minimum 10 to 12 model exams. Okay, full length question paper minimum. Okay, next 60 days are there. So at least 6 days once you need to take one full length question paper, then only you can able to check your confidence level. Then variety of the question papers you need to take. Don't focus only with one institution's question paper, either ours or whatever. Okay, even I would say that if we are providing question papers as a test series, don't focus with only ours. Okay, focus and try to solve our question papers also. At the same time, focus with a different set of question paper and then PYQs. Okay, I will tell you the one question here. Not this question, I will tell you that question. Here, X, Y, Z are the three contestants in a race of 1000 meter. Assume that all run in the different uniform speed. Speed here is uniform, different. X gives Y a start of 40 meter. X gives a start of 64 meter. If Y and Z were to compete in a race of 1000 meter, please remember this is very important. 1000 meter, how many meters start will give Y to Z? So simple here. So try to understand. So let us take this as a 1000 meter. When X is so the method, the model you need to understand, the terminologies using in the questions you need to understand. That's it. X gives Y to the start of 40 meter means when X here, the Y start here. Okay, so therefore the distance between them here is 40 meter. Okay, that was okay the meaning of that statement. When X gives Z start here with 64 meter. So therefore distance between x and z is 64 meter. Then easily you can able to identify this one. So this one is nothing but 64 minus 40 becomes 24 meter. So try to understand this one. Now you can able to calculate in this way also. Okay, this is 24. So now y gives so a lead of 24 meter in the remaining. So what is the remaining distance here? 1000 minus 40. 1000 minus 40 becomes 960 meter. In a 960 meter. The question is related to the 1000 meter. So convert that. So y leads in 1000 meter. So which is nothing but the difference between y and z is 24 by then y is actual 960 into 1000. Okay, then you can cancel this one. This is nothing but 25 times 40 table. So here 24 times 24 getting cancelled. So therefore 25 is the answer. Okay, you can use this one also. 25 is the answer. You can use the model 1 also. Suppose if you are having queries or else if you are not okay with the model 1, you can use the model 2 also. The find out data. So starting time here is same, right? When starting time here is same, then you can say that the distance is directly proportional to the speed. Okay, then you can find out the distance ratio also. So that is x to y. So x is 1000. Here this person y is 960. Cancel this one. So 25 is to 24. Then x to z. X to z. 1000 here. 936 here. Even you can cancel this one. So it becomes 125 is to 117. Or else in a direct way you can write like this: xyz 1000 960 936. You need to focus with the y and z. Okay, so reference here is y. Okay, the z here is 936, then by 960 into 1000. If you calculate this one, this is 25, so this is 24. If I'm cancelling this one, it becomes 39. Alright, so then 39 into 25 becomes 975 meter. Okay, you need to calculate with respect to the 1000 meter. So therefore 1000 minus 975, which is equal to 25 meter. You can use either of the methods. Okay, I think first method is the simple method. You can use the model 1, so this method, or else you can use model 2 also. If you are having any doubt, you can ask, or else we'll move on to the next question. Shall we move on to the next question? Okay, fine. Okay, so this was the question related to the boat and stream. One question only we are able to see from 2011 to 2023. We can able to see one question related to the boat and stream. So focus boat and stream question also. Don't skip. Already you have completed in your foundation. Practice sheet also provided. Different models also provided in your practice sheet. So try to complete those things. Don't skip. The man takes shortcut also. I taught you for this question also, and concept also I taught you related to the shortcut. Here I will teach you the proper method. Learn the proper method. The man takes half a time in rowing a certain distance downstream. than the upstream and takes half a time. Okay, rowing a certain distance downstream to the upstream. So the ratio has been provided here. Okay, then what is the ratio of the speed in a still water to the speed of the current? Speed of the current. So we need to find the ratio. So here try to understand one thing here. What has been provided? You know the concept, distance is equal to speed into time. So distance here is a constant. When the distance is constant, the speed is inversely proportional to the time taken. Our time is inversely proportional to the speed. If you are knowing this one, automatically you can able to find the time taken in downstream. According to the question only, downstream is half of the time taken in upstream. Time taken in upstream. So which means, so now let us go with this one. Time your downstream, upstream. So downstream is 1 means upstream is off. That's it. So rearrange this one by doing the LCM or multiplication. So therefore 1 is to 2. The time is 1 is to 2. Ratio here is 1 is to 2. Then automatically you can calculate the speed ratio. The speed is the inversely proportional. So therefore 2 is to 1 here. Now this is not the answer. Listen very carefully. So this is nothing but the which one? Distance downstream to the upstream. Okay, we are calculating the downstream speed towards the upstream speed. That ratio only we are calculating. But you don't know. The question here is speed of still water. So therefore the speed of the boat. Okay, in the still water, you can take that as a x. Then the speed of the stream, that is the current, you can take it as a x. You have learned that in your foundation. The speed of the downstream is equal to x plus y. The speed of the upstream is equal to x minus y. You know this ratio. This ratio is nothing but 2 is to 1. Now cross multiply in order to find out the x by y. Cross multiply. So x plus y, which is equal to 2x minus 2y. Rearrange this one. So 3y, which is equal to 2x minus x, becomes x. We need to find out x by y. So x by y is equal to 3 by 1. The question is, what is the speed of the still water? Ratio of the speed of the still water to the stream. Okay, speed of the stream. So therefore x is to y is equal to 3 is to 1. You can use this method also. So in your foundation, I taught you the shortcut also, right? Everyone remembering that shortcut? N. What is the shortcut we have used? Not able to remember? Try to recollect. Okay. And try to go through that shortcut also. Okay. So now, next question. Yes. If you are having doubt means you can mark. Okay. Shortcut. Which batch you belongs to? Kaya, which batch you belongs to? So please go through the PDF or else the recordings of your time, speed, distance. Okay. If you have missed your boat and stream live class. So in your live class, I taught you that one. So please go through that one. N by, okay, n minus 1 by n plus 1. Shortcut I have already taught you in that, okay, bottom stream class. People remembering that shortcut? At least one of you. What was the shortcut? Let me write the shortcut here, or else let me dictate that shortcut here. Already informed that one. If the man takes, okay, if a man takes n time in rowing a certain distance downstream than the upstream, please take that shortcut. If anybody wants means, or else if there is in your slide means okay. In a PDF shortcuts there means fine. The speed of the still water by the speed of the current, which is equal to n plus 1 by n minus 1. The shortcut already I provided. So n here is half a time. Then you can put a half. So therefore half plus 1 by half minus 1. So the speed is non-negative. Don't consider the negative sign, etc. So in such a situation, it becomes 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. So therefore 2 cancel, then answer you will get a 3:1 directly. Okay, Kaya, understanding? Try to complete your classes videos, recordings if you haven't attended the live class. Okay, so now this question: a person X from the place A, so this is the A. The another person Y from the place B set out at the same time, so time here is same, to walk towards each other. So towards each other, they are separated by the distance 15 km. X walks in the uniform speed of 1.5 km per hour. Y walks in the uniform speed of 1 km in the first hour, 1.25 in the second hour, 1.5 in the third hour, 1.75 in the fourth hour, like that. Okay, first, second, third, fourth hour. But Y uniformly walking at the speed of 1.5 only. So this was the data. Now the question is they take 5 hours to meet. So let us check this one. So 5, so therefore 5th hour. So this is going to be the 2. Add up this one. So 7.5. This is also 7.5. So therefore X reaching 7.5 kilometer, Y also reaching 7.5 kilometer. So therefore the meeting point. Okay, yes. Meet of a distance covered, right? Of a distance. So therefore they are meeting in the midway A and B. Yes, 7.5 covered by this one, 7.5 covered by Y also. Therefore midway they are meeting. Yes, correct. They takes 5 hours to meet. Absolutely correct. So therefore 5th hour only they are able to cover 7.5, 7.5. So both the statement provided here are correct. So the answer for the question is C, both 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Understood? Okay, fine. Now this question, 2022. So why I am keep on suggesting you to go through the previous year question papers of any competitive exam? Because listen very carefully. This question, I think in 2020, this question, exact question came in your MAT, management aptitude test. Okay, so this test conducted for the integrated program for your IIM. Okay, IIM entrance. So this exact question came there in 2020. Here see that in 2022 they are asking you in the UPSC. So UPSC nowadays, not nowadays, sometimes, okay, they are simply giving you the same questions coming in your entrance examinations like IIT entrance, IIM entrance, Then some other questions like SSE, okay. Then some competitive exams like RRB, okay, LEC exam. So therefore, I know that you people are focusing your GS. At the same time, you need to focus with this area also. You should not skip CSAT. CSAT plays a very vital role. You all know about that. Okay, I do not want to insist again. So here, listen, X and Y run 3-kilometer race along a circular course of, this is nothing but 300 meter, one circle, 3 kilometer. Okay, you know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then the 3 kilometer is equal to 3000 meter. They have to run X and Y. So you can take this as a starting point also. The ratio of the speed ratio, the speed of X to the speed of Y is equal to 3:2. You know, starting in the same time. So therefore, the speed is directly proportional to the time taken. So if it is 3x, here 2x. So 30 kilometer speed with respect to X means 20 kilometer speed with respect to Y. So like this, if X covers 300 kilometer, sorry, here meter, right? 300 meter. Y covers 200 meter. Okay, this is with respect to the distance also, since applying the concept of the speed is directly proportional to the time. That concept applying here. Now to try to understand here, if in a first round X complete here 300, Y complete only 200. Since here they need to complete 300 in 300 meter, okay, here. So second round 600 meter, so like that. So when X completes 600 meter, here completes 400. In a third round 900 meter, yes, 600, okay, in this position. So therefore first time, okay, they meet, okay, meet in the third lap only. In the third lap only they are meeting here first time. First of all, try to understand your 300 meter one round. So therefore they need to complete a 10 lap to complete the 300 meter. So second time, when will complete, or when will they meet? Sixth lap. So therefore third time they will meet on the ninth lap, right? So 9 into 300 becomes 2700, right, meter. So X covered on the ninth lap, X covered 2700. So Y covered only 1800. In the 10th lap, what happens? X complete. If X completing, there is no possibility to meet again. So therefore you need to focus with the ninth lap. Up to ninth lap, how many times they are meeting? Okay, that only you need to focus. 3 times they are meeting. Okay, able to understand? Simple logic only you need to apply. So no specific calculations are there. If anybody having the doubt, you can ask. Are you having any doubts? No. Okay, fine. So in 2023, if you go through the question paper, there was no questions related to the train, no questions related to the boats, no questions related to the speed, distance, okay, train, whatever. Okay, so the four we are
Excuse me, sir.
wait, having doubt, huh?
Sir, is I'm audible?
So therefore, wait a minute. I will address your queries. Okay. So no questions in 2023. Okay. So we will go with your doubts now. Okay. Fine.